Is your Adobe Illustrator program crashing at the middle of your project? Is it freezing, lagging, or slowing? If the answer is yes in any one of these, then this video is going to be helpful to you. In this video, I'm going to share the 5 simple steps that can help you to fix this Adobe Illustrator performance issues and get you back to designing. So here are the simple steps that you can use to fix these performance problems inside Adobe Illustrator and make you enjoy your process of designing. The first step is to check your minimum space requirement. I'm talking about processor, operating system, RAM, hard disk, monitor resolution, GPU, internet connection, and something like that. So I've put a link in description that have each and everything about the minimum space requirement. But for now, I'm going to explain about operating system, RAM, hard disk, monitor resolutions, and for more, you can just click the link in description that can guide you directly to see more details about minimum space requirement for Adobe Illustrator to perform well in your computer. So for Adobe Illustrator to perform well in RAM, you should have minimum of 8 GB of RAM, but 16 is recommended. And hard disk, make sure you have 2 GB space available for installation, and additional free space required during installation, but SSD is recommended. In monitor resolution, make sure your monitor resolution is 1024 times 768, but for the better performance, 1920 times 1080 is recommended. The second step is to update Illustrator to the latest version. First of all, it will help you to get those new features that come up with the latest version so as to make your Adobe Illustrator perform very well and you can enjoy the process. Another important is bug fixing. The new version of Adobe Illustrator comes with improved overall stability and performance of the software. So if you are using the latest version, you might have experienced this thing. The third step is to reset preferences. It's very important to make sure your preferences inside Adobe Illustrator are not corrupted, because the corrupted preferences can cause crashes, freezing, lagging, or even slowing of the program, especially when you are opening new files or you are using advanced tools. You can find your Adobe Illustrator is crashing or sometimes goes off and you can lose your project. It's very easy to reset preferences inside your Adobe Illustrator program. Just click Ctrl, Alt, and Shift key if you are Windows user, and for Mac user, just click Command, Option, and Shift key. Then you are done with resetting your preferences. Alternatively, you can come to Editing and go direct to Preferences, General. Then it will pop up this Preferences window. You can just come here and reset preferences. Another alternative is to hit Ctrl plus K or Command plus K for Mac user. It just pop up direct the preference window and you can reset your preferences. Another step is to check your system compatibility. You have to make sure that your Adobe Illustrator program is compatible to your operating system. It's very important because making things up to date helps to improve your performance inside Adobe Illustrator program and minimize those crashes and freezing, lagging, and slowing issues inside Adobe Illustrator program. The last step is to use Creative Cloud Cleaner. This is a tool provided by Adobe to solve installation problems and clean up the corrupted files. It's very useful, for instance, when installing the program or fixing some troubleshoot issues. I will explain further about Creative Cloud in the next video. So click the subscribe button for more troubleshooting issues like this inside Adobe Illustrator program. So we have passed through 5 steps that can help to minimize these performance issues, and those steps were to check minimum space requirement, updating the program, resetting the preferences, checking system compatibility, and to use the Creative Cloud Cleaner that I'm going to explain further in my next video. So try these 5 steps and let me know if they are working in your program. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and let us share. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos about fixing those troubleshooting issues and Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.